5 seconds to go. Start. These appeals raise an important question of law as to whether the Union of India can be directed to adhere to the representation as made by it in the Office Memorandum dated 7th January 2003, hereinafter referred to as the said OM of 2003, even after the enactment of the Central Goods and Services Tax Act 2017, hereinafter referred to as the CGST Act. Civil appeal arising out of special leave petition civil number 12397 of 2020 arises out of judgment and order dated 2nd March 2020 passed by the High Court of Delhi dismissing the writ petition civil number 505 of 2022 filed by the appellant Hero Motorcorp Ltd, thereby rejecting the appellant's claim of 100% budgetary support in lieu of the pre-existing 100% outright excise duty exemption for 10 years from the date of the commencement of commercial production as provided for by the said OM of 2003 issued by the Government of India. Civil appeal arising out of special leave petition civil number 11978 of 2021 arises out of judgment and order dated 5th February 2021 passed by the High Court of Sikkim dismissing the writ petition civil number 47 of 2018 filed by the appellant Sun Pharma Laboratories Limited assailing the reduction of the benefit of 100% exemption from excise duty granted to it vide Office Memorandum dated 17th February 2003, which were to be made available for a period of 10 years from the date of commencement of commercial production. Both the appellants herein approached the respective high courts claiming therein that in view of the said OM of 2003 and notification number 50 of 2003 CE dated 10th June 2003 hereinafter referred to as 2003 notification, the Union was bound to give 100% tax exemption till completion of 10 years period from the date of commencement of their commercial production. The factual scenario leading to the filing of the present appeals lies in a narrow compass which is as under. The Government of India had issued the said OM of 2003 based on the statement made by the Honorable Prime Minister during his visit to Uttaranchal, now Uttarakhand, in March 2002. The said OM of 2003 provided that for the states of Uttaranchal and Himachal Pradesh, new industrial units and existing industrial units on their substantial expansion would be entitled to exemption of 100% outright excise duty for 10 years from the date of commencement of commercial production. The said OM of 2003 also provided that there shall be 100% income tax exemption for such units initially for 5 years and thereafter 30% for companies and 25% for other companies for a further period of 5 years from the date of commencement of commercial production. Various other incentives were also provided vide the said OM of 2003. In pursuance to the said OM of 2003, a 2003 notification was notified in exercise of the powers conferred by subsection 1 of section 5A of the Central Excise Act. Stop.